We'll guide you through how to use Trello integrations to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com, log into your account, and navigate to the board you want to integrate with other applications. Once you're on your board, look to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the Power Ups button. This will open a menu where you can search and browse various integrations Trello offers. Whether you're looking to connect Trello with Slack, Google Drive, or any other tool, you'll find it in the Power Ups directory. Click on the integration you want to add, then hit the Add button. You may need to authorize the integration by logging into the other service, so be ready with your credentials. After adding the Power Up, you can customize its settings to fit your workflow. For example, if you integrate with Slack, you can choose which Trello board actions will trigger Slack notifications. Remember, you can add multiple power-ups to your board, but there's a limit on the free version of Trello, so choose wisely. If you're on a paid plan, you have more flexibility with the number of integrations. Make sure to explore different power-ups and experiment with what works best for your team. By integrating Trello with your favorite tools, you can save time and keep everything in one place. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.